We have been avoiding this topic for a few weeks because it's not a pleasant one, but, you know, it's one that we have to talk about. And you're the best guy to talk about it because I know you know a lot about it, and it's something that involves the country of your ancestors. I saw this week that they raised the level there at the troubled plant from level 7, I guess, to level 7.
Right.
And I thought, well, at least it's not level 8, but then I found out there is no level 8.
Mm-hmm.
So besides not eating the sushi, what does this mean?
Well, the utility has been in denial. For a whole month, they said it's no worse than 3 Mile Island, which is level 5. Now it's level 7, the maximum, which is the level of Chernobyl. Now, we physicists knew that there was an uncontrolled release of radiation into the atmosphere. It's so radioactive that the workers there are like samurai. It's a suicide mission. They go in there getting near lethal quantities of radiation in the area, and then they get shot right out again. So it's the managers, it's the utility that have consistently downplayed the severity of the accident. And I keep having this mental image of the utility managers like Homer Simpson operating a nuclear power plant.
Yeah, you know, it was disappointing. I thought Japan was ahead of us in this area.
Not in nuclear.
Yeah, and I saw on the news a couple of weeks ago, they were like stuffing old newspapers in there. That's what I would do.
Realize that this is not in any nuclear engineering textbook. You get any nuclear engineering textbook, look at the last chapter, and they say that, yeah, we have emergency cooling systems, don't worry about it, we can take care of it. Nowhere do they say that you can have 3 simultaneous partial meltdowns, 4 hydrogen gas explosions, uncontrolled release of iodine and cesium into the atmosphere. This is not in the book. They're literally making it up as they go along. This is a science experiment. And we are the guinea pigs for this science experiment.